Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to enable ActiveControl with an Expressway-Registered Cisco endpoint. In this lab, we'll use a simple topology where we have Cisco DX70, Cisco Expressway-C, and two call bridges of Cisco Meeting Server. Now, here in the lab, we'll be using our Cisco DX70 endpoint, which is registered to Expressway-C using SIP protocol. Then we have Expressway-C has neighbor zones configured towards the CMS A and B. Let's refer this document, which is Cisco Meeting Server using ActiveControl in Meeting Server Conference. Now, from here, you can see what is ActiveControl, the feature that is supported by the Cisco endpoint. These are the ActiveControl feature. And if you go down, here it is mentioned in the Expressway web interface, when you can do a configuration zones and zones, when you create a neighbor zone towards your call bridge to your CMS, under the advanced panel, if the zone profile is set to default or Cisco Unified Manager, the SIP UDP IX filter mode is assumed off and is not displayed. So I will demonstrate this in my lab, what parameters you can check and how you can enable those configuration or the parameters for SIP IX. So this is basically a diagram which shows the DX70 is registered with the Expressway-C, and we have the custom neighbor zone created towards the call bridges, which is CMS-A and CMS-B. Now go to the Cisco DX70. If you go to the web interface of it, click on Settings, Configuration, and search for ActiveControl. By default, this is set to Auto. Make sure that it should not be off. Now we can go to your Expressway-C configuration and zones. So this is the web interface from where you go to the configuration zones, and now you are able to see I've created the Cisco Meeting Server neighbor zone. And in this neighbor zone, if it is set to default, which is mentioned in the document itself, you won't be able to see that feature to enable the IX. Now you have to select it custom in the advanced, and can enable the SIP UD IX filter mode to on. Save this. So I have a cluster of two call bridges, and on both the call bridges, this feature is on. All right. So that's it for today's video. We successfully configured ActiveControl with an Expressway-registered Cisco endpoint, and that will connect it to the Cisco Meeting Server. It's a conference bridge. So if you found this video helpful, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and leave your question in the comment below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next Cisco collaboration tutorial.